In the social media marketing course, we talk about the fact that change is constant. We talk about riding the wave of change. Well, one of the things that's changing a lot are the social schedulers. These are systems that allow you to schedule your social media posts for a group of networks for any time, day or night. It allows you to really connect with the target market at the times it's convenient to them through the social networking sites that are the ones that they tend to use. Hootsuite has offered a free system that allows you to schedule all of your social posts for up to 3 social networking sites for free. In order to sign up, there's a couple steps you have to do. First, you go to the Hootsuite homepage, click on Compare Plans. So you scroll down to where it says, try our unlimited free plan, 3 social profiles, 30 scheduling messages, 1 user. Sign up now. You click there, you put in your name, your business email, and your password, and you create your free account, and you're ready to go. When you log into Hootsuite, what you want to do is you want to first set up your social networks. To add a social network, you click on this box here. It'll say add a social network. You pick the one that you want. I've added mine. It will then go through and connect it, authenticate it. Here are my Twitter activities. Here's what I'm doing on LinkedIn, and here's what I'm doing on Facebook. They also have an analytics piece. It also has a publisher. It's really easy to use. What you do is you go up here and you click on a new post, and it'll take you through a 5-step process. First things you do is you select your networks. Then what I do is I go and I put in my post. Then I can drag and drop media that I want to use. So it now puts the Easter message in here. Then what you do is you can either post it now or you schedule it for later. So you set that up by just putting in the date and time that you want. Then when you click done, it will post it. So what you can do is have it schedule different messages at different times. And it allows you a lot of flexibility to set up to 30 posts in advance across 3 media. And so it's a great way to manage your social schedule to make it easier for you to maintain contact with your high value market.